On Friday, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, while referring to the incident wherein Cabinet Minister Sanbor Shullai had interrupted Speaker Metbah Lyngdoh while he was raising concerns of attacks on Christians, was inappropriate. The incident had taken place during NDA's presidential candidate Draupadi Murmu's visit to the state to solicit support for her candidature. The Chief Minister also informed that even before the United Democratic Party UDP had taken up the issue, he himself had taken note of the incident. He added that the moment and timing of the incident in the presence of guests and other dignitaries was inappropriate. However, Sangma also stated that he will take a call on the matter at an appropriate time.
Because right now this is an election and each party has the right to raise their concerns. And as I said, there are no problems and issues in raising concerns because that is the highest office in the country. And it is appropriate for us as voters for that particular election to raise our concerns. And that's what the Honorable Speaker, as the UDP President, had done. And I think of course the actions were very inappropriate. In fact, I have raised this issue and concern. I cannot discuss right now on what way it is done. But UDP has done it, and I have also already shared with Honorable Speaker what concerns were there. So that's it. And I think beyond that, I will not be able to share the details with many. Unless, as I said, if it's done in public like it was done that day, then it's not appropriate, and that too in front of the presidential candidate. So, but whatever happens with me at my level and individually in a closed-door room, I have many discussions with many MLAs and leaders and citizens also. And in many situations, different situations can come up, but then we always figure out a way to resolve.